What's it like being a student at Nitte University?
Let's find out.
14 institutions, hundreds of students. How do we socialize? At our student clubs.
Wait! You forgot about the orientation.
Sorry, right. Let's start over. 14 institutions, hundreds of students. How do we socialize? First, by knowing each other at the orientation.
And there are of course our student clubs.
For the love of theatre, the Theatre Club.
For the art of photography, the Photography Club.
For the passion for films, the Nitte Film Society.
For the fascination with literature, the Literary Club.
There's also room for music, dance, sports, science and much more.
And to accommodate so much and so many, we need a large space.
Hence, we have a spacious campus and hostel rooms too.
Experiencing Nitte would be incomplete without experiencing Mangalore.
The accessible public transport,
The breathtaking architecture,
the lip-smacking food.
the calming beaches.
So, what are you waiting for?
Come experience the time of your life. Many are already here.
Experience Nitte University.
Experience success.